When you're trying to evaluate a website, I chose this website um, for the the progressive error person, Ida Tarbell. And you need to use a website evaluation tool like the one here to tell if the information is credible or not. Okay. If you choose a website from WebPath Express, you can be sure that the information is okay for you to use because it's already been vetted by librarians. But if you choose to Google it yourself, you need to make sure that the date is okay. You know when the information was written, or the date's good enough for your project. The site was updated less than 3 years ago. The way to find that is to scroll usually to the bottom of the page. And when you scroll, this is like quite a bit of stuff, but when you scroll down to the bottom of the page, it will usually tell you that this site was updated in around this year. Okay, so it's copyright 1996 to 2023, so that date is good enough. Okay, the date was found pretty easily, so if you rate these, you can give it a rating of 0 if there's no information, or 5 if it's exceptional. Okay, and the other thing they're going to evaluate is the content or the coverage. The information, is the information useful? Can you use this information? Okay, is your report on this person, Ida Tarbell? Then yes, it is information, good information. Are there other links on the page that has other useful content on it? When we were scrolling down, we saw a whole bunch of pretty good stuff. Okay, so this is PBS, American Experience, so you know that it's got good information. This site, okay, you're going to have to look at more than one website to get information. Let's face it. Okay, so make sure that you rate how this information compares with other information that you find. This information is not good if it's not able to be read. Okay, so if you can't understand the words, then find a different website. And is there enough information on this website? Okay, you rate it from 0 for not enough information. And how do you know that this website has true information? Okay, who wrote it? You have to have some good technical elements to your website. Can you move from page to page pretty easily? Is there enough information? Look at this. It has where Ida Tarbell went to college. Okay, you can probably find some good information just by looking up her college. All the links work. You can move from page to page. Does this website take forever to load? If it does, maybe it's not worth your time. But this one loaded pretty quickly. If you go to another page on the website, can you get back to where you were? It looks like you can search and get right back to where you were. Are the graphics clear on the page, or does it, well, like these are black and white photos, so of course it might look a little fuzzy, but that's a pretty good photo. Okay. Is there a link to the author? Is the URL from a trusted information source like a .edu site or a .gov site or a .org. This PBS is a well-known organization. So yes, this is good, credible information. Is the information free from bias? Is it showing you information from all sides, or is it trying to sell you something? If the website's trying to sell you something, give it a 0 for objectivity. And make sure that once you have your total points score, you take a look up here, and if it has a score of 60 to 70, the site might be questionable. If it has a score of 81 to 90, the site has good information, but maybe there's one or two different mistakes on it. If it has a score of 91 to 100, it is an excellent source of information for your project. I hope you have fun. Enjoy.